Hello guys, today we're at Doi Inthanon National Park here in Chiang Mai. This is like the tallest mountain in Thailand, so I've heard. So we're gonna climb up. I think it's about an hour, 2 hour hike to the top and take you along for the journey. The first stop is this waterfall. And look at that. That is incredible. We just made it to the nature trail. You like the weather?
It's really, really nice. It's just so much cooler.
We're currently at the highest spot in Thailand. So we made it up here to the pagoda, and it looks so much cooler in person. Like, I've never seen a structure like this. Like a little thing. So we're now on a nature walk with the local guide here in Chiang Mai, and it's just so peaceful out here, man. It's this side of Thailand that I haven't really fully explored yet. It's interesting because it's a completely different landscape. You wouldn't find this in the south of Thailand. But yeah, so right now we're headed to a waterfall. Should be cool. I want to swim. It's kind of hot out. This is why you come to Thailand. The nature, raw nature. So here we have the little rice terraces, and obviously no rice because it's dry season, and so you can kind of see the smoke in the air and smog in the air from the burning, but it's still very lush, very green. There's not many hiking opportunities in Thailand, but this is like the first one that I've done, because obviously it is so wild and like you never know what you'll find out here in the jungle. So it's kind of cool walking out through the jungle and seeing the nature that they have here. Wadikap. Come to Chiang Mai. Come out. Don't just stay in the city center, because I know it's like one big square. Don't just stay in the city center. Make sure you get out into nature, into the mountains.
Really good. Just like another side to Thailand that not a lot of people go. Most people go see the beach, but this is another really, really beautiful aspect of it.
Thailand's not all just relaxing on the beach, getting a massage, drinking a chang or a leo. It's also in the nature with the people, learning about how they're preserving these areas. craziest thing probably ever done. Hanging out with elephants.
It's so cool. It's so beautiful. I've always wanted to do this. And it's really special because there's babies. Okay, thank you.
This is so big, bro. Oh my god. Left and right.
He's so cute.
They're so gentle and like friendly. If you go to Chiang Mai, this is called Elephant Jungle Sanctuary.
Yes.
So link will be in the description. You know? Very ethical. The way they do it, they really take care of these animals. You can tell that they actually have a connection.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful to see. So we're riding bikes today. And I've ridden a bike literally since probably my childhood. It's a vibe, man. Got my bucket hat on, glasses. Wholesome, very wholesome. It's a hot day. We're out here at the old city walls, probably thousands of years old. And it's very peaceful, man. We got the moat, or the canal right there. This is almost like, it's like we're in Amsterdam.